Benvenuti a Milano. You want to check out the office of El Italy? Follow me.
Ciao Patricia!
So, Danda, tell me, what does Milan symbolize to you?
Milano is the city of the opportunities. So if you want to work, to have a great career, Milano is definitely the place to be in Italy.
What is the best time to come to Milan?
I think it's mid-season, so I think autumn, fall is the right moment because at the end Milano is a very romantic city, so it's good to see it with the soft colors, and we have a lot of small gardens everywhere.
Can you describe Quadrilatero della Moda for us?
It's narrow streets, it's not big avenues or something like that, and you have the best brands in the world all together in a very small area. So if you walk in the Quadrilatero della Moda, I think that in a couple of hours you can really get the idea of what is cool, what is trendy, what is fashionable at the moment. Buongiorno a tutti e benvenuti a Milano.
I'm at Iris and I have a really big problem. I have to choose shoes.